What's up? Welcome back to my channel, TikTok, whatever. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning signs for March Madness. It's starting. Happy March, everyone. So the first one is basketball. Basketball. And comment below what's your favorite team that you want to win. I am from Connecticut, so go UConn. Basketball. Then we have bracket, which starts with 4, 2, 1. So you don't have to do it super fast if you can't sign it. And then tournament. And then who